Hello. Hi guys, I'm Rachel. Today I'm going to teach you the steps on how to use the teacher schedule system. So first, of course, you have to access the website. So this is the website. And then you have to key in your username, password, and the login code. For the username and the password, Franklin can provide you with that. So the username and the password. So of course, if you have that, write your username here, your password, and you have to copy the login code. And sometimes it won't appear, so just click here. You have to click here, refresh, or you have to refresh the page if you cannot see the login code. And then after keying those, you have to click login. Alright, so after you successfully logged in, you can see this page. This is the My Timetable page. So under this page or under My Timetables, you can see another parts of the system. So My Timetables, My Student, My Comment here. Next, the fourth one is My Student Comment. Fifth is training records, and the last one is time management. So I will explain to you one by one the functions and the parts of these systems. So let's begin with My Timetables. So the purpose of this page, My Timetables page, you can see the summary of your schedule. So if you want to know your whole month summary or any days or specific dates that you want to know your schedule, all you have to do is to put the date here, time range box, this is the starting date, then this is the end date, and click search. So the search button is just somewhere here. So again, you have to put the date, start date, end date, and click search, and then you can view your schedule here. So that's under My Timetables. So the second part of the system, the second part is My Student page. So in this page, you can see the list of your students, old and new students there, and also their remaining classes. And one more thing, under this page, you can also view your students' new student books. Okay, new student, it means not your new student from another teacher, but the new student in our company. Okay, so you can see this part under subjects here, this part. So you can see the student's book, your new student's book. Now for your old student's book, I can explain it to you later. That's under another part. So this is only for new student. So you can see here your students' names, their remaining classes, and if you have new students, you can see the book's name here. Right? So that's under My Student page. My Student page. Now the third part is My Comment page. Now my comment page is from your students' feedbacks. Okay, they can write how they feel about your classes, if they are satisfied, and if they learn something from you, so they can write in this page, My Comment. So you can view their feedbacks, okay, your student feedbacks. So you can write here, or you can view under My Comment. So here, like this, the date, and then your student comment. All right, so let's move on to the fourth part of the system. The fourth part is My Student Comment. Okay, so this is from you and from another teachers. So in this page, you can view all of your comments, and again from other previous teachers of your students. So you can also see the old books of your student. Now for your new student here, the new student of our company, you can see under subjects here. Now for the old student, you can see under here, okay, in this part. this part. So you can see the book's name and the page and also the topic. That's for old student. I mean, you're new student from another teacher. So we consider it, we consider them as old students, even though it's your new students, but they're old students from another teachers. So you can view this part. So, all right, and then you can see your the books here and teacher's comment summary. You can write after every classes you need to write your feedback. So if you want to see the summary, you can view it here under my student comment. All right. So another one, the fifth part is the training records. Training records page is very important. In this part, you can view your entire student schedule for the whole month, entire month, or your student schedule for the next month or next month. It depends on what month you want to view the schedule of your students. I will explain it to you later on how to do it. And one more thing, it is very important again for teachers to write their comments as soon as they finish every class, not your class on that day, but every after 30 minutes or your 1 hour class, you need to write your comment. All right, now let's proceed to how to view your students' next month schedule. Okay, so first you have to click on the student name, then you have to write the name of the student that you want to view, or you can just simply do this if you want the summary and if you want all of your students. So all you need to do is to click on start date just beside the student name. Click on start date and then this will appear in your screen. The schedule will pop up when you click the start date and also the end date. You have to select the specific date that you want to view. And then after clicking the end date, you have to click search. So you can view your students next month, this month or next month, or any specific date that you want to view. So that's it. Next is how to write your comments. This is very important. How to write your comment or your comments, your feedback to your student. So in this part, you can see the red button. That's the comment. Simply click on it, and then after clicking, this window will pop up. Yeah, a small window, comment window will pop up. You have to write here the theme of, for example, you're talking about animals, so you have to write animals here, their theme. And then content, you have to write, very important to write the book's name, page, and your topic. Okay, you have to write here again, book name, page, your topic, and additional comments. So the purpose of writing it is for the next teachers to know. For example, if you file a leave or suddenly you don't have connection or you don't have electricity, it's very important for you to have it in the system so other teachers can know what page did you stop and what lessons did you tackle or something like that. So you have to write this. And after doing it, you have to click submit. And one more thing, in this box, you can only use limited punctuation marks. You cannot use comma or apostrophe or another. You just use period or something like that. So after doing it, just click submit. All right, the last part is the time management. So time management, you can manage your time, your available schedule from Mondays to Sundays. So in this step, after you click the time management, you can see this page. So you can delete or update your available schedule. So it's either you do it weekly or monthly. So it's up to you. So all you have to do, if you want to update, click update here on the right hand part. Click update and then put a check on the in the checkbox, and then you can select the specific time and days that you want to teach, and then you click save. So in this part here, you can see the drop down arrow. You can click weekly or monthly. If you use monthly, then you have to check here. Sorry, it's not so clear, but you can try it though. You can see this page. You can put a check. For example, if you're not free on Sundays, you can put Sundays. Okay, weekly or monthly, it's up to you. If you encounter any problems with this system, you can always contact Franklin or Franklin's team anytime. So they're always online. You can send them a message. Now, if you don't understand and if you have some questions about this, you can always send a message to me also. I'm always online, so just send a message anytime. So thank you so much. I hope you learned something. Thank